Hey guys, Mr. Golias, and this is our agenda for Wednesday. It's our last day where every class is doing a Zoom. You found the daily announcement. We will do a one for fun, which we'll talk about when you get into the classroom. That is a one-word answer. We're going to do a Jamboard sketch that relates to that one word. The link will be in Canvas. It'll be right next to the one for fun. I'm only going to post those right before the class, though. Then we're actually going to go through the Dreamboard directions, and we're going to get started with our Dreamboard, which is our first summative of the class, our only big grade of the week. We may or may not even take a glimpse at Google Sites. I'm leaving this up there just in case we do, but there's a chance we don't get to this until Thursday and Friday, but we'll see. So that's the agenda for tomorrow. I'm going to try and give you a bunch of time to work on your Dreamboard. Again, I want you to have time to work and not end up with a ton of homework. So that's our plan for tomorrow, or for August 26th, and I will see you then. Have a great day.